Hello and welcome to the today's session. There are quite a few examples, but we'll try to finish these many examples. Maybe one more lecture will require for the remaining examples, and after that the MCQs will be having. Okay. This methyl salicylate is showing peaks at 152 and 120. So, this looks like M plus radical, and this is M plus minus 30. So, or 32 rather. So, loss of methanol, one can say. I will just show it here, like how it can give rise to a peak around 130 OH. Okay, this radical cation. Then so these two forms methanol, which is going off, and you get OCO bond radical cation. So, this is M by Z is equal to 120, because methanol mass is 32, the rest is 120 by default. So, that is the, so this is M plus, so 152, and that is loss of methanol, and you can show it by this way. The positively charged species should carry a should be absorbed in the mass spectrum. The next question is, this is the mass spectrum, detail is given and 3 options are given. So, you have to find out the correct option out of these 3. So, let us talk about this compound. This is 43, this is 45. I will just put the numbers here so that it will be easy for you. So, 43 is explained, 45 is not there. So, this is not a correct thing. Now, let us talk about this. This is 29, this is 43, this is 57, and 116 is by default the peak. Now, this will be 29, this will be more like 1, 2, 3, 36 and 7, 43 and 16, that is 59. So, 59 is missing, 45 is also missing. All these peaks are related to the given spectrum. So, compound B looks okay, because this can explain 29, 43 and 57 along with the base, the M plus radical peak. So, option B is correct. Remaining 2 you can rule out because they give some unnecessarily peak, the unrequired peaks and not matching with the given data. 177 looks like M plus, this is loss of some entity, this is the alpha cleavage, this is COCH3, that looks okay. Only 119 has to be explained. 119 you can subtract from 177. Loss of 58, this is nothing but acetone. So, loss of 58. So, acetone is going off and you are getting the entity which is 119. This is alpha cleavage and COCH3 is this alpha cleavage. So we can easily show the pattern, like I will just draw this stuff here. NH CO CH2 CO CH3, this is the compound. And now on safer side I will put radical cation here. Then if I break it here and put cation here, so this is 92, 77 plus 15, that is 92. So this part is 92. Then another I will put N double bond C double bond O radical cation. Let me put radical cation. The other, or we can show the mechanism also. This is 119, 177 is already explained, 43 is easy, like this is 43. So 43 means this should be positively charged. So you can have the radical, and so these are the fragments. Now we can systematically show the formation of these fractions which are absorbed in the mass spectrum. So first of all, NH CO CH2 CO CH3. So radical cation here. So homolysis of this bond. So this becomes NH CO CH2 radical plus CO CH3. This is M by Z is equal to 43. So 43 is done. Next is radical. Okay. Now the second option. I'm just clearing the things here. Okay. Okay. Let us put radical cation on this, and now you can lose proton, and this can match with the hydrogen. So it will be CH3 CO CH3, the outgoing entity which is neutral, and now this will be radical cation. So this is 119. So 119 is also explained. The next step is you can CH2 CO CH3, and now you got to put radical cation here. So instead I will put it here. Now mixing these two, positive charge is here, one, two, three. So valence is fulfilled. This is M by Z is equal to 92. So 92 is done, 119 is done, 43 is done, 177 is the molecular ion peak. So that you can show by any method. Either you put radical cation on nitrogen, oxygen, or inside the ring. So it is optional. Now 162 looks like m plus, this is m plus minus 15, and this is tropylium ion, and this is COCH3. Okay. So once you understand this, the dissection is very easy. So this will give rise to radical. This is m by z is equal to 43. Radical is anyway that is not absorbed. So 43 is done. The next thing is we have to explain 91. Let us go this way. Now instead of pH, let me put the entire ring. It should look radical cation. Okay, then you can break this bond. This part is going to be radical, and now this side it will be double bond positive. This is equivalent to tropylium ion, m by z is equal to 91. So 91 is done. 147 is easy. I will just put it here. pH, the another alpha cleavage can give rise to 145 or 147. This is m by z is equal to 147, and the outgoing entity is methyl radical. So radical anyway is not absorbed. So m plus 162, m plus minus 15 is 147. This tropylium ion, the COCH3 group. That is how the dissection or fragmentation can be explained. The next one is this phenyl ester. 126 looks like m plus. This is loss of 30, m plus minus 30, m plus minus 31. So two things are possible. I will just quickly write down the steps. COOCH3. If the homolysis occurs, you will get one cation, that is m by z is equal to 95. OCH3 is 31. So 31 plus 95 is 126. That is the summation. So that is one part. So loss of methoxy group can give you 95. Now the question is how 96 is obtained. CH2H I will put. Loss of formaldehyde. CO plus this formaldehyde. This is m by z is equal to 96. You can alternatively show that directly putting the bracket charge, and then this proton is taken up and formaldehyde goes up. So it is up to you how to show it. So 126 is explained, 96 is explained, 95 is also explained. Okay. The next example, C6H14O, mass, the base peaks at 59 and 45. Now the isomers we can draw so many. I am just drawing one of these. So it is C6H14O. You can have other options also. Let us check whether this can give 45 or not. So this can give, this part is 43, this part is 59. So 59 base peak you can explain by putting and then removing these and then putting the positive charge. This m by z is equal to 59. You can explain like this. So this is one of the structure where 59 is explained. The second structure, it is isomeric. So again ether, because it is saturated skeleton. So CH3 CH2 O and then C4H9. I am just putting it in short. So if this undergoes cleavage, this part is 45. The C4H9 has to be radical. So m by z is equal to 45. So where ethoxy group 29 plus 16 is 45. So these are two isomeric peaks or isomers which can show base peaks at 59 and 45 respectively. Another example is 135. 135 is definitely not the M plus, because M plus has to be even in this case, because the molecule is not containing any nitrogen. This is 150 M plus and 135 is M plus minus 15. So minus 15 you can lose from here readily. This goes off, minus methyl radical, and obviously you will get the O CH2 plus m by z is equal to 135. That is one thing. Second is, you can radical cation, break it here, that is 77. So 77 has to be phenyl cation, and of course the other entity has to be a radical. I am just showing it roughly. Now this is m by z is equal to 77. Now this can give rise to your peak around m by z is equal to 51, and of course the acetylene is lost in the process. So 77 can give rise to 51, so as 91 can give rise to 65, and 77 is the breaking at this part, the heterolytic cleavage, and you can show the charges. You can always balance, but the main important thing is you have to show which bond is undergoing fragmentation or cleavage, sometimes homolytic, sometimes heterolytic cleavage. Now cinnamyl chloride, I will just put it this way. This is cinnamyl chloride. Now let me put double bonds, alternate double bonds. So 166 is M plus, 166 is M plus, 131 is M plus minus Cl, we are taking Cl as 35, and 77 is once again the phenylcation peak. So this is okay, this is okay. Now this is 77, this is 131, and of course Cl should go out as Cl dot. So how to show it? You can always show it like this, COCl. So let me put radical cation here, minus Cl radical, and of course you can give the this is m by z is equal to 131, and 77 you can show it from here also. It has to go heterolytically so that you get the phenyl cation, that is m by z is equal to 77, and of course the other part is not very important. You can show two electrons here that may fuse with oxygen and so on, but that is not very important. This is phenyl cation, this is the peak at 131, and of course the base peak, the molecular ion peak is appearing at 166, that is where we are taking Cl as 35. Now before we close, I will just give one small example as exercise. You can solve this. 102, 74, 71, 59, 43 and 31. This is the mass data. Okay, this is the example for practice. Next time we will continue from here. We will do some more examples, and then I will put some multiple choice questions based on the CMR and mass, and of course if required I will put MCQs on other section also for your help. Okay. Thank you very much.